Hey guys, welcome back to the Kin Woven Home. I'm Sharrah. Today we are doing something so exciting. We are going to tour you through our new Kin Woven offices. And thank you to Samsung for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to show you an amazing new monitor that I have that I personally work on all the time that I'm excited to share with you. But before we do that, let me show you some really cool stuff here in the office. We have been waiting to share this video with you guys for so long. My mom designed it in SketchUp. She worked her magic, she put it all into a 3D model, and I did all the selecting for it. So I was able to find the furniture pieces, the art, and some of the details that really brought it to life, which was really fun. And then Tyler came in and helped specify and find the right people here in Tulsa to do some custom build options for us, which I will show you in a second. And I just think it turned out so beautifully and looks so amazing, and I cannot wait to show you. Okay, in today's question of the video, we cannot forget the question of the video. I want to hear from you guys. Where do you currently work? Do you work at home, in a home office? Do you work in a private office somewhere? Are you in a co-working space like we are? This is kind of like a co-working space here. It's a tech incubator. So there's some really cool businesses, and I kind of want to show you what the walk-in experience is so you can kind of see like the greater space and the vibe of where our office is located. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you hit subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your answer to that question below. Okay, are you ready to go see kind of the entrance walking experience in our new Kin Woven headquarters? Okay, let's go look at it. Okay, so we are in a tech incubator here in Tulsa. It's called 36 Degrees North, and I want to show you kind of the vibe and the experience. So we aren't the only business. We have all kinds of other businesses that are here. And when you walk into the space, you're greeted by Rachel. Rachel is like the best front desk gal. She does everything here. She's a happy face, and she always is dressed so cute. But let me show you over here. Okay, look how cool this space is. You can hang out here, there's like little desks around you can rent. All of this is just community area. So if you want to come out here, kind of stretch your legs, the view is awesome. You see the downtown area, kind of skyline of Tulsa. And then we have some really cool conference areas. Like, look how cool this space is. You can rent these spaces. And then if you follow me this way, you'll see our office. Look, we're right through the window. But don't take too big of a peek because I'm going to show you the actual walk-in experience, which is this way.
Where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just...
When you walk in this space, you just have a beautiful, welcoming vibe. So something that we really wanted to achieve is we wanted to break up the space. We just kind of have like a basic cubicle, a long rectangular space, and we wanted to kind of create sections. So my mom designed this custom kind of separation in a very Kin Woven, natural kind of texture. It's a slatted wood wall that kind of interfaces and connects like this, but it's also still kind of promotes communication because the slats are not super small. They're open so you can see each other, you can still talk, but you also kind of have your own space. So over here we've got Tyler's mega desk. We kind of share this space. There's two desks that go into one, so when I am in the office I kind of sit here or there. We kind of swap in and out. And then when you come this way, we have our product marketing manager Allison, who sits right here. And around the bend, around the corner over here, we have our content team. So the ladies behind the camera usually are sitting right here and right here. Angela is our creative content producer, and our newest hire, Lily, is our content assistant producer right across the desk. So they can have a lot of collaborative moments, and they can also chit chat through the slatted wall with Allison to have this great collaborative experience as they talk about all the fun things they're doing at Kin Woven. Okay, and before we go to my desk, our name is on the wall. Isn't that so exciting? I don't know, you guys, there's something really cool about seeing an 8-foot sticker of your business name on the wall. I don't know if I'm supposed to say this or not, but I think we're gonna order merch. Do you guys want merch? Maybe like a sweatshirt or a mug or a hat? I think we were gonna order it for us, but maybe we'll order enough that like other people could buy it. Maybe it'll be like a limited quantity thing. I don't know. Tyler's probably gonna be mad that I'm announcing this on here, but I think merch would be really fun for all of us to have. Let me take you to my desk and show you the setup that we got going on. Let's go. Okay, so here is my little desk area. Actually, Tyler and I share this area, but you know it's cute. When you share this area with your husband, you can have pictures of your son in the window. I usually come to the office when I have to work on design projects, when I want to sit down and kind of have a big space. When you're designing, it's really great to have a really big monitor so you can have multiple things up at once. If you guys saw my video from last week, I kind of showed you guys our stone house cottage that we're working on right now, and working on this new monitor that I just got that I'm going to tell you a little bit about. Not only is it functional, and it really does help kind of have my Pinterest board out and my different, you know, design boards and SketchUp and before and after photos and things I've sketched on. I can literally have all of that up in front of me in a really wide space, but it also is not a clunky piece of machinery. It is a beautifully designed, very slim, very modern, very elegant monitor, and it works beautifully. Okay, so the Samsung Smart Monitor M8 is what we're talking about today. And not only does it come in white, which I particularly love for this office space, you can also get it in pink, you can get it in blue, and you can get it in green, which are very fun spring colors. Another thing that I love about this Samsung M8 monitor is it has an adjustable height stand. So it works perfectly for me if I need it to be a little bit shorter. And then also, since Tyler also sits here, he can adjust the monitor up to be his height level. So it's comfortable for both of us. There's also a great tilt feature, so you can adjust it so it's like the right lighting or the exact right angle for you. And it's also smart, which means you can watch Netflix and Hulu, Samsung Plus. You can actually watch great content on your monitor. It's all built into the monitor because it's smart. And what's really cool about it is it actually has built-in speakers into the monitor that adapt to the ambient noise around you. Like, that's next level smart. And not only does it come with Netflix and Disney Plus and YouTube, you can watch all our YouTubes on here, but you also can watch Samsung Plus, which there are no subscription fees for. You can watch it for free on your Samsung Monitor M8, and I think that's a really great plus. There's tons of channels and content that you can engage in and watch and consume, and it's all included with this monitor, which is awesome. Now, most streaming apps offer 1080p, so that's like the viewing quality that you're able to watch on your personal computer. But on the monitor, you can watch in 4K. And then beyond being able to watch really fun stuff on this thing, it does connect wirelessly, or you can plug your computer into it. So I can have my laptop out and I can be working on both devices and have it all geared up so it's nice and functional and works perfect for my needs when I'm designing. Now, if you don't have your computer wirelessly connected to it, your laptop, it does have kind of an operating system in there. It's called Tizen. So you can do things like email, you can browse, kind of do some basic computer functions on the monitor itself, which is great. You just need obviously a keyboard and a mouse and you'd be good to go. Okay, and then one of the other really cool things is it has a magnetic little camera that goes right on the top, and it supports Google Duo, which is a kind of video conference and video call system that it has built in to the monitor. It comes with face tracking and auto zoom, and it's a simple, seamless process. So if you were needing to make a conference call, they got you covered. And if you're a techie person like Tyler is, you'll be happy to know they have ultra high definition, has over 1 billion color range. It's just a really clear, crisp monitor experience that looks really beautiful and is really high definition, which is great. I love that it's a slim, white, really large monitor, and Tyler loves all the internal things that make it look really nice. So it really is a win-win for both of us. So this has been a really cool setup for me again when I come in here to do any design projects, but also we come here and we have team meetings. We have collaborative meetings, and up until now we've had to rent some of their little rooms, but now I'm excited because we have a whole sitting area that we can have team meetings in. You wanna see it? It's so comfy, it's very cozy, and it's beautiful. Let's go take a look. Isn't it so cute and so cozy? So I love the sofa that we picked. It's kind of like a boucle fabric, which is really cozy, but also like, you know, gives it some texture and also comfortable. I love that it's kind of like an L/chaise. so we can have lots of seating for our group and have kind of a communal discussion situation. We've got two beautiful leather chairs on the other side that kind of complete the U-shaped area. And then we have this really organic kind of striped pattern stitched rug that I think kind of lays a good organic base in here. We have our kin woven pillows, and then we have this cute little arched lamp, which just adds another level of just coziness. And then obviously bringing in plants. We work with a plant nursery here called Colmia's, which is great if you're local to Tulsa, and they bring in really beautiful plant options for us and keep them alive, which we're so grateful for. Directly across from this beautiful table and coffee table, which by the way, I will link these options for you below if you guys are interested. We have another great Samsung piece of technology that is probably my favorite, which is the frame television. You guys know how I feel about the frame. We had to put one in the office because when it's off, it looks like art. That's my favorite thing about this thing. And then behind us here, well, we have these 3 pieces of art, which I think are such a beautiful kind of statement pieces. They line the walkway of our office. They're felt divider walls, which are really hard to hang things on, especially big pieces of art. So I'm also gonna link the hooks that we found. They're special hooks that are made just for this sort of thing, and they go into the felt. They're genius, and if you are in a situation where you have felt walls and you wanna hang art on them, I highly recommend checking those out. We just got them on Amazon, and that'll be a really great solution for you guys if you're wanting to decorate your office and you don't know how to do that. I know I already pointed this out, but we have to give it a moment. Let's switch places. The kin woven logo. I think it looks really cool. I think it really brought the space together and makes it seem very official in here. I know we're gonna grow out of this space soon enough. We're gonna have to get a bigger cubicle, but I think what we have can what's cool is we can move it from office to office if we go to a bigger space. But for now, it's perfect and it fits our team and it's just so fun and cozy in here. And I'm just so excited. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you love our new kin woven offices. I think my mom and I did such a great job tag teaming. We really have never tag teamed a office design before, and so this was really fun to do together. And we're just really excited for our growing team here at Kin Woven to have a space that hopefully is really functional and helps them kind of be productive, but then also kind of has a cool space to be casual and relax and cultivates communication and creativity and all the fun things. So I would love to see and hear your guys' feedback. Leave us your comments below. Also, if you're interested in checking out the Samsung Smart Monitor M8, I will be linking that below. You guys can see if that fits and is right for you. And make sure you hit subscribe if you're not subscribed, thumbs up the video, and go follow on Instagram. We got all kinds of projects going on and fun renovations and things that you guys can see in real time. So go over and check it out. Oh, and then one of the biggest announcements and just reminders, we still have our Design Sessions $25,000 giveaway going on through the end of 2022. So if you sign up for the Design Sessions, it's only $10 a month. You get access to over 100 hours of interior design content by this point. It's just a super helpful resource for you guys if you're interested in making your homes beautiful and you really want to do a deep dive in that category and find some really great help. Being a member of the Design Sessions enters you in to a monthly giveaway. So every month you get an entry into this giveaway, and you have a chance to win $25,000 towards making over a room in your home at the end of it. So in December, we're gonna pick one winner, and that person is gonna get $25,000 cash, and then also a free call with my mom and I to kind of go over your design plan and have kind of a consultation moment. So it's an amazing giveaway. We've never done anything like it, and it's totally worth it. So if you'd like to check out the Design Sessions, be sure to click that link below, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you. Bye-bye.